Hi everyone, so I wanted to jump on and share a quick plant haul with you today. Now I'm a little ashamed of myself because what started out as an errand going to the bank ended up across the way at the garden center. And I had no reason to go, but I just said to myself, just go and take a quick look around really quick, see if you see something, and just come on back. So this is what ended up coming back with me, and I just want to share it with you. Now, I really do have places that I want to put it, but I didn't need it. And now I'm starting to think that something is really going on. Like, I feel like I'm the plant rescuer. I just feel like I have to rescue plants. You know how people rescue pets? Somehow I rescue plants because I'll show you the pictures of like the clearance plants that I've rescued, and they really have flourished. But these actually were not clearance plants, these were regular price. And we'll start in the back with the endless summer hydrangea. And I took the tags off because um, I didn't want my husband to see it. That's why I took the tag off. I'm going to be totally transparent. I didn't want him to see it because I told y'all a lot of times he thinks that plants are just a total waste of money, but not to me. So I've been wanting an endless summer hydrangea, and this is the tag that came with it. These are the purple ones. They had purple, they had pink, and they had blue. Now, when I went to another garden center, they had the bigger BLOOMSTRUCK endless summer hydrangeas on clearance, but they looked really sickly. Like the leaves were looking bad. I'm not saying that it couldn't come back, but it was going to take a lot of nurturing, which I don't mind. But sometimes when I go and get stuff off the dead and dying rack, I just think to myself, will it be easy to bring back? Do you think it'll come back? Or will it be like a lot of attention to come back? So these were the same price as the clearance ones, but they are just a little bit smaller. And to be honest, with the big ones, I didn't feel like digging a hole that big. I was going to get 3 of them. So these, I can dig a hole a little bit smaller, and I can watch them grow, so I don't have to dig as big of a hole. So while I was there, I had been looking at a bay leaf plant last year, and they put like a sale on it, and I missed it. And it had like shrubs or something, and the lady told me that wasn't part of it, but it was. Anyway, make a long story short, I picked up a little RAGU sweet bay. This is bay leaf, and I use bay leaves a lot, like in the fall, in different soups and stews. I drop a couple of bay leaves in here and a lot of my Italian dishes. So I just figure, now guess what, I can have this in the comfort of my own backyard. Now, I didn't pick these up today, but I picked them up this week because I was having a hard week at work. So a lot of times during lunch, I'll just go and clear my mind and look at plants. Now, I'll link the video because I bought the key lime plant, but I went the other day, and evidently one key lime plant wasn't enough because I got another one. This is the key lime plant, and I'm going to tell you why I really got this, because the one that I got in Florida, I wasn't sure if it said bush, and these are like a bush key lime, and then they also had the buds growing on here. So I said, let me get another one. And then I also got a bush clementine tangerine, and they have the Meyer lemon, and I think the Eureka lemon and the Ponderosa lemon that I'm really thinking about going back to get. So let me know in the comments below if you grow the lemon. I've grown the Meyer lemon before, but let me know if you're growing lemons and how are they. I'm just gonna have to find a place to put them. But anyway, this was just a quick video of what was supposed to be an errand to the bank that turned into a plant haul. So as always, thank you so much for watching this video, and give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and also share it with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, we will absolutely love to have you as a subscriber. So make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.